Hi, welcome to session. Myself, Dr. A. Jagadambal, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we discussed about the transactional analysis, that is called a TA, transactional analysis. What is meant by transactional analysis? First we discussed about the meaning of transactional analysis. Transactional analysis is a psychological theory and method of communication. It is a psychological theory and also it is a method of communications. We are follow the many method of communication. So it is developed by the psychiatric and also people Eric Berne, a Canadian American psychiatric and founder of transactional analysis. Which year it is the founder that it is 1950. It is used to understand human personality, communication and relationship and behavior. So it is a transactional analysis is nothing but it is a method of communication who is developed by it is Eric Berne. The year is 1950. What is the purpose of transactional analysis is why it is used means it is to understand the human personality and also it is a communication and relationship and behavior. Okay, next one is the term transactional refers to interactions. Okay, interactions or exchange between the people. The transactional means it is exchange or interaction between the people, that is the more than two persons. Transactional analysis studies how individuals communicate and why certain communications patterns lead to positive or negative outcomes. Okay, well, next one is definition of transactional analysis. Yeah, that is the main definition is it is a simple term, a theory of personality and a systematic psychotherapy of personal growth and personal change. That is the simple definition of the transactional analysis. A theory of personality and a systematic psychotherapy. It is a theory of the personality. First one is, second one is it is a systematic psychotherapy for means personal growth and personal change. Okay, next one is objectives of transactional analysis. There are many objectives. We discussed about the important one by one. First one is to understand the human behavior, because everyone to know about the human behavior, because it is a positive thing, another one is negative thing. So exchange of the transactions, it is a positive or negative way, so we can understand the human behavior. That is the main transactional analysis main objectives is to understand human behavior. Second one is to improve the communication, because that is the persons are to know about the what are the things they have to know about the particular things. So it is the second thing is to know about the personal communications and also how to communicate with others. It is a positive manner or negative manner. It is each and every communications transactions or transfer the information how to reach the peoples. Then next one is to resolve the conflicts, because main objectives of transactional analysis is to resolve the conflict, because in the organizations there are many peoples working. One leader to lead the particular group means there are many subordinate peoples are working the particular group, so there are many conflicts among the workers. To resolve the conflicts, next one is to develop the self awareness. Through the transactional analysis, all the persons to know about the self awareness, to how to communicate the people, how to interact the people and all these things. Next one is it is to encourage healthy relationship. Main transactional analysis help to main objectives is it is a healthy relationship. The next one is to identify unproductive behavior patterns, because it is the how to identify the unproductive. These are all the things is negative means automatically to identify the these are all the unproductive behavior patterns. Then last one is to help individuals achieve autonomy, because that is each and every person's having the unique pattern, so it is help to achieve the individuals to autonomy. These are all the objectives of transactional analysis. Thank you all.